In this periodic perfection, we're going to be looking at hydrocarbons, specifically alkynes. Alkynes are the class of hydrocarbons that contain at least one triple bond between the carbons in the main chain. They end in -ine. An example would be ethyne. The naming conventions still stand, where our prefixes determine the number of carbons in our main chain, but we need to have a way to tell where these special triple bonds are. So let's do an example. So first thing we're going to recognize is that we do have a triple bond in this molecule, which means it is an alkyne, which means we're going to be ending in Y and E specifically. Now, since it's an alkyne, and we end in Y and E, we need to count up our carbons, see how many we have, and in this molecule we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. So we can go back to table P, and 6 would be hex or hexyne. But we're not done there. So once we finish with the hex, we need to figure out what to put to tell us where this special triple bond is. If I count in this direction, my triple bond is after the 4. But if I were to switch it up and count in this direction, what was 6 is now a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I still have 6 carbons, but now it's behind the 2, and that's a lower number. So my name would be 2-hexyne. What do these mean? 2 is the location of the triple bond. Hex means there's 6 carbons. And -ine means that there's a triple bond. And that is how we name alkynes.